Hi, I'm Steve and welcome to the Home Solutions channel. Today we're going to talk about the first 5 signs of a home remodeling imposter and how to identify one when they knock on your door. By the end, you'll know the most common tactics faulty contractors use to make you feel they are trustworthy. Then you can spot the imposter among us and know who is the suspicious one. Number 1, they do not have a brick and mortar business. Having a brick and mortar business means they operate out of a work building and have an established team that makes the company function. If a contractor does not have a brick and mortar business, this could be a sign they just started their company, meaning they do not have the longevity and credibility of their work. How can you spot this imposter? One of the easiest ways to spot this imposter behavior is by looking up the contractor's address on a map. If you look up the address and it shows a house in a neighborhood or an apartment complex, that's a red flag. Number 2, they have a low functioning website. If a contractor does not put effort into presenting their company, products, and services through their website, imagine the kind of effort they will put into your project. You want to work with a home remodeling contractor that wows you through every step of the process, from the moment you find them online to the finishing touches of your project. How can you spot this imposter? A low functioning website can be identified if it takes a long time to load, it's hard to find the information you're looking for, you can't find any basic information on the company, or if it overall just does not make you excited. Number 3, they don't have a valid phone number or contact information. One of the easiest ways to spot a home remodeling imposter is by identifying if they have a valid way to contact them. The last thing you want is constantly trying to contact a potential contractor only to be left with radio silence. How can you spot this imposter? Try and call them. If you try to call a contractor or contact them via web form or email and never hear back, this is a good sign of an imposter. Number 4, they only talk about themselves or spend all their time speaking negatively about their competitors. This not only shows the contractor's character and what their business's values are, but it also tells you they are most likely compensating for what they lack in their business. If a contractor can't say one nice thing about any of their peers in the industry, imagine how they may talk about you as a client. How can you spot this imposter? Spotting this red flag will most likely be during your meeting with a potential contractor. If you schedule a consultation with them and notice they are always comparing their products and services to their competitors while bashing them, run. This imposter is most likely just trying to make themselves sound better to combat their true weaknesses. Number 5, they cannot provide any real examples of their work. This is why when vetting a potential contractor, you want to see real photos of their work to know if they will meet your expectations or not. You can see these photos either through the contractor's website, during their presentation in a consultation, or on their social media, online business profile, or in client reviews. You can easily spot this imposter by asking yourself this simple question: did you see any pictures from the company or not? If you do see photos of their website or during their presentation, but they look incredibly staged, you probably can't trust this company. You want to see real, raw photos of the company's work before, during, and after construction. Now that you know how to identify a faulty home remodeling contractor, you may want to take it a step further and know what mistakes to avoid to ensure you chose the right contractor for you. To help you out, we linked a video above that will outline 5 common mistakes to avoid when hiring a home remodeling contractor. Then you will have the right information to know what makes a low quality contractor and know what mistakes to avoid to find the right company for you. Thank you for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.